Hey guys, long time no see, right? Welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue. We're in that backyard on the Mad Pit Master Reuben. So today I got coming to you guys, it's a lazy man's meal for breakfast, 15 minutes tops, Mexican style. It ain't traditional, but when you grab it on this thing, it'll bring you back to those memories of eating bomb-ass chilaquiles, my style, in the oven, over there in the grill, however you want to do it. It's just easier for me to show you guys right here in this oven. Check it out. Oh yeah, little update on my leg condition. I'm barely able to just hobble around without, I can't do it without this guy right here. But I can put some weight on my foot, but man, I still got a couple months to go. So all you guys wondering, good looking out, man.
If you like grilling, chilling, drinking, and thinking about nothing, then get your ass on over to the Mad Swine. Get your ass on over to the Mad Swine. Get your ass on over to the Mad Swine. Backyard barbecue.
Alright guys, it's as simple as this. Cast iron skillet, tortilla chips, any kind of tortilla chips. Or, if you're going to make them yourself, you want to be more traditional and fry up some tortillas and do it that way, whatever. This is just making it simple. Basic tortilla chips. I got these at Costco, no big deal. You can get any kind, any flavor. You can get tostadas and crush those up. Tortilla chips. Eggs, 3 eggs. And some kind of salsa, some kind of sauce that you're gonna put at the end. Now, I'm using a can of pato. I love this stuff. It's a hot tomato sauce. You can use any kind of red sauce, enchilada sauce, your favorite sauce from the store, your favorite homemade sauce. What I'm trying to tell you guys is these 3 basic things: tortilla chips, eggs, and some red sauce, or green if you want. It's all up to you. This is what I'm using. Tortilla chips, 3 eggs, and pato sauce. Then, in the eggs, I'm going to put directly and when I mix up these eggs, some half of this. This is a half onion, and this is a whole tomato. I'm going to use half of the onion and half of the tomato in the egg mix. And the rest is going to be for garnishment at the end. I have a avocado that's almost going bad, and I'm going to use it up. It ain't going to hurt me. And some sour cream, which is back here. Oh yeah, can't live without this stuff. So this is as simple as it gets, everybody. I threw these just couple handfuls right here in this skillet, cast iron. Crushed them up a little bit like that. I'm gonna drizzle some oil right on top. And I got the oven preheated at 375. And then I'm going to put these eggs, after I mix them with this stuff like I told you, put them right in there, put them in the oven for 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, check it, hit it with the pato sauce, and then in 5 minutes after that, this thing is ready to go. Top it with all the toppings you want, and enjoy. Check it out. Hell, I'm gonna put a little bit of that. That's 1 jalapeno. Gonna use a little bit of it. All right. Just got some canola oil. All right, that's it. Little drizzle on top. It's gonna go all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna throw these right from the middle, work my way. All right, eggs are on top of the tortilla chips in the skillet. This is going in for about 10 minutes into our preheated oven, 375. And there it is. All right, guys, that's been 10 minutes in the oven. You can see the egg is fully cooked. I don't know if you can see that, but it is, trust me. The pata sauce is ready to go. Just gonna drizzle this everywhere as I can. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, it's going back in the oven for 5 more minutes. This thing is ready as hell. There it is. Oh man. Can you guys hear that? Sizzling. Now don't confuse that with burning egg and all that, because it's not. This thing is gonna be awesome. Drizzle some more onion. Top. Some more tomatoes. Wham. There you go. It don't get no better than that. Now, watch this. Get up in here with some eggs. Check this out. I don't know if you can hear that crunch, but these things are still crunchy. Oh man, that's good. Woo! That's hot. Look at that. That's the bottom of the egg that was on the cast iron. Not burnt at all. See that? Good stuff right there. Look at that. Ooh, man. Good eats. All right, guys. That's going to wrap this up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like what you see, hit that like. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can know when I make my next video. Thanks for watching.